Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2018 Honda Accord LX model. This is the LX sedan. It has the sport wheels equipped on the vehicle, so this is not a sport even though it does have those wheels, so don't be fooled by it. It does look really good though. Love it over those LX wheels. Comes equipped with the Honda Sense safety suite, so front collision sensor and camera, so you get the adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist on this one. It's also powered by the 1.5 turbocharged Earth Dreams technology VTEC engine, so very punchy, lots of low to mid-range torque, so a lot of fun to drive and gets excellent fuel economy. So it comes with Toyo tires all the way around, really good condition there, they're pretty much new, and then four-wheel disc brakes. Got electronic rear brakes for the parking brake and brake hold system. So it comes with a two-tone leather on cloth vinyl material interior, smoke and pet free. Also comes equipped with a nice large touchscreen stereo, Bluetooth, and rear backup camera, dual AC controls, and power outlet. And up top here we have our dual vanity mirrors, illuminated working lights, map lighting, and then power options include windows, locks, mirrors, and seat. Tinted windows, excellent on the exterior body. It has both of its floor mats. It has standard cloth and Accord Honda all-weather floor mats as well too, so both are included. Then it also has split fold 60/40 rear seats. Only ding I see down the side is right there over the wheel well, just a small one. Rest of the body looked good, no dings, dents, or scratches anywhere else. And then it came equipped with its spare tire, tools, the jack, the fuel filler, and then comes with keyless entry. And gas caps are capless, and they pop open just by pushing them, and then they do lock when you do lock the vehicle. Comes with satellite radio antenna as well. Dual automatic windows for driver and passenger front, and then I like they did the brushed nickel along the sides and across the bezels there. It gives it that nice finish. So power windows, locks, power driver seat, power mirrors. Seats are good, headrests are good, just a little wear here, and you're gonna see that across pretty much most of these that are going to be residing in Florida, so you'll see that happen as well too. So common from heat. Stereo sounds excellent. Rear backup camera works great. Now you're not getting any of that fluttering on the screen, that's just from the camera, but the radar and camera is equipped inside by the rearview mirror. Just have this one chip here in the windshield. It's a replaced windshield. And then we have 111,000 original miles. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly. This is actually a digital gauge, and that is an analog gauge there. Multi-function wheel to include our Bluetooth, home and volume controls, and then all of our adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and then got that automatic headlight switch there. Interval front wipers, everything properly working, ready to go. Total push to start vehicle, and it is beautiful. The silver with the black wheels really complements it out nicely, and you can find this beautiful 2018 Honda Accord LX model exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.